Let's make the most insane garlic herb beef tenderloin with the help from Oklahoma Joe. Gonna preheat that brand new Firecraft Series barrel grill, season up a beef tenderloin with salt, pepper, garlic, then poke some holes in some russet potatoes, add a little bit of oil and wrap in foil. We're gonna place those potatoes right next to the coals to cook for about an hour, flipping every 5 to 10 minutes. Once they're tender, pull them off, then melt some butter with some minced garlic and chopped parsley. Sear off your steak and start basting it with the herb brush and the butter. Baste, flip, and cook this guy until it's about 120 internal, has a beautiful outside crust. Pull it off, let it rest, top off with that butter, and then we're gonna season up our russet potatoes with salt, pepper, garlic. Serve up with shredded cheese, bacon, sour cream, and chopped chives, and slice into that garlic herb beef tenderloin. Look how insane that is. Enjoy that Firecraft Series barrel grill and dive in. Try it out. So freaking delicious. Recipe on the blog. Cheers.